I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the physical chain is correct. Use a certified HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 cable and plug the PS5 into the TV's primary HDMI port. Once done, set your TV's HDR mode to Auto or HDR10. That lets the console negotiate color space correctly. Make sure dynamic contrast or game image enhancement features are off because they can block HDR handshake. This quick hardware and TV setting check prevents the most common handshake failures before diving into console menus. You now change PS5 output options so the system matches your TV. Navigate to settings screen and video output and set HDR to on when supported. If problems persist, test always on. Next, set deep color output to automatic so the console tries 10/12-bit color. If your TV supports 12-bit, try that to avoid banding. Then run the PS5 HDR calibration. These steps force proper edit negotiation and fix mismatches between color depth and the TV's reported capabilities. You finish by rebooting both devices. Fully power down the PS5 and TV, wait 10 seconds, then power them up to reset the HDMI handshake. Once restarted, launch an HDR-capable game or app to verify HDR active via the game's display info. If HDR still fails, test a different HDMI port or try a different certified cable. Sometimes ports labeled ARC behave differently. As a last step, reset the TV picture mode to factory defaults. This clears hidden processing that can block HDR signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.